Hello everyone, I'm Mongol Gawande, Chief Communication Officer of Dabawala Enterprises Private Limited. I'm a son of Dabawala. I'm very proud of being associated with Dabawala. My responsibility is to provide you all the information related working of Dabawala Enterprises. Dabawala is famous all over the world and many people want to know in the details about working of Dabawala. I'm here to give you all the information about Dabawala. To start with, I would like to introduce the Board of Directors of Dabawala Enterprises Private Limited. First of all, meet Mr. Sandeep Shantaram Gaikar, Managing Director and also the President of Dabawala Charity, the NGO. Meet Mr. Sunil Pandurang Gawande,
Namaskar.
the Director and CEO of Dabawala Enterprises and Secretary of Dabawala Charity. Meet Mr. Sharad Gangadhar Mure,
Namaskar.
Director and COO of Dabawala Enterprises and Joint Secretary of Dabawala Charity. All these three people are working Dabawala from last 20 years in Mumbai. And what amazing is that they still live in a small char and ride a bicycle to deliver tiffin boxes. They have a little or no formal education. Dabawala is a 130 years old business which started in the year of 1890. There are around 5,000 Dabawalas in Mumbai with around 200,000 customers. Also, Dabawala has a great name and fame, but Dabawala faces many challenges. Dabawala have no social security. Now let us talk about problem faced by Dabawala. First of all, Dabawala have no income proof, thus they do not have access to bank credit and loans like housing loans and personal loan. This is because Dabawala earn around 10,000 rupees monthly in cash. All the transactions is in cash. Problem number second, Dabawala do not have access to an insurance facility. In case of unfortunate death of Dabawala, their family house faces great financial crisis. Problem number three, Dabawala do not have access to medical facility. In case of Dabawala or their family member falling sick, their financial condition become very bad and they do not get a quality health care. Problem number 4. Dabawala do not have access to a pension. When a Dabawala stop working due to old age, he has no income to survive. There is no retirement age in Dabawala. One can work as a Dabawala as long as his body supports. Problem number 5. Dabawala do not have access to a good housing loans, good home loans, and income because income is limited. That's why most Dabawala live in a small char in Mumbai. Problem number 6. Dabawala faces many problems like children higher education, low income, and many other problems. It is really sad is that no one have ever tried to talk about these problems and or offer a solution to these problems faced by Dabawalas. Because of this neglect, Dabawala have a face of many hardships. I'm very proud to be share with you that these three Dabawalas have seen the problem faced by Dabawala and decided to offer a complete solution of the problem faced by Dabawala. In the year of 2017, they incorporated the Dabawala Enterprises Private Limited with objective of the economic welfare of the Dabawala. Dabawala themselves are the shareholder of the company along with other people who respect, love and care about Dabawalas. After forming a Dabawala Enterprises, they are starting solving all the problems faced by Dabawala. Let us see how they have solved the problems by Dabawala. The solution number first. Now Dabawala's income goes company bank account and after deducting GST and TDS, this income transferred to a Dabawala's individual bank account online. So company gives Dabawalas Form 16 TDS certificate, salary slip and also income tax return for Dabawalas. This is a great work done by Dabawala. Now Dabawala have pure legal valid income and they have access to bank loan, housing loan and personal loan. Some Dabawala did not have a bank account also. The Dabawala Enterprises opened their bank account, individual bank account. In fact, earlier many Dabawala never visited to bank. This is a great work done by Dabawalas. Solution number second. Dabawala Enterprises gave 1 million insurance cover to Dabawalas, securing their families. In case of unfortunate death of the Dabawala, their family is now protected. Solution number 3. Dabawala Enterprises give 100,000 mediclaim cover to Dabawala's entire family. Now Dabawala and their family member gets cashless hospital medical care in top hospitals. Solution number 4. Dabawala Enterprises is also planning to launch a pension plan and housing project for Dabawalas. Solution number 5. Many multinational companies and their big companies give bonuses to their employees. On the same line of Dabawala, enterprises also started giving bonus to their Dabawalas. Last year we gave a silver coin to Dabawala, and as this company's profit increases, more bonuses will also given to Dabawala. This is a great work done by Dabawala. Solution number 6. Dabawala Enterprises has given interest-free smart mobile phone to Dabawalas, and in future we will also planning to offering the many interest-free and low-interest loan to Dabawalas. This is a great work done by Dabawalas. Now this is the Corona time. Right now all the world is facing coronavirus crisis, and many Dabawalas, all the Dabawalas has lost their income. During this time, Dabawala Enterprises has helped Dabawalas by directly sending money in their bank account. Dabawala Enterprises operate a high moral ground, treat itself as a part of society. We are always ready to help the society in need. We have made a CSR contribution during the Kerala and Maharashtra flood directly to respective Chief Minister Relief Fund in last year. So because of great work done by these 3 Dabawalas, they are now invited a leading MBA institute schools to deliver Dabawala's management lectures. Dabawala Enterprises has successfully completed 3 years of business operation and changed the life of many Dabawalas. The share price of the Dabawala Enterprises has also increased due to success of the company. We propose to convert the company into limited company in the next financial year, and the company will be known as Dabawala Enterprises Limited. It is a great success and motivating story as how these 3 simple and uneducated Dabawalas have created a corporate in Dabawalas. Dabawala Enterprises had a grand vision to be a global food company in the business of production and delivery of high good quality food products. So today I have given you all the introduction of the Dabawalas, Dabawala Enterprises. You may contact us for conducting management lectures on Dabawalas, advertising throughout the Dabawala network. You also may contact us for investing in Dabawala Enterprises, co-branding and other opportunities also. Due to coronavirus problem and lockdown, the Dabawala have lost their income. Right now, Dabawalas need your urgent help. So we request everyone to come forward and help us throughout Dabawala charity. Now I request all the directors to give their message. First of all, I will like to invite MD sir. MD sir, what is your message?
नमस्कार. डबावाला एंटरप्राइजेस ही कंपनी, या कंपनीला आज 3 वर्ष पूर्ण होत आहे. ही कंपनी डबेवाल्यांच्या आणि डबेवाल्यांच्या परिवाराच्या हिताचं आणि सुरक्षिततेचं काम करत आहे. या कंपनीमध्ये या 3 वर्षाच्या कार्यकाळामध्ये डबेवाल्यांना मेडिक्लेम सिक्युरिटी, डबेवाल्यांच्या मुलांना उच्च शिक्षण भविष्यामध्ये, त्याचबरोबर डबेवाल्याचा पूर्ण परिवार सुरक्षित करणे आणि डबेवाल्यांचा घराचा प्रश्न या कंपनीच्या माध्यमातून सोडवला जाणार आहे. तरी मी मुंबईतील 5,000 डबेवाल्यांना विनंती करतो की आपण या कंपनीमध्ये सामील होऊन आपण आणि आपला परिवार सुरक्षित करावा. धन्यवाद.
Yes, thank you, MD sir. The great message giving to Dabawalas, MD sir. MD sir requesting all Dabawalas to join Dabawala's enterprises as early as possible to save to entire family and many other facilities. So next I request to CEO sir. CEO sir, what is your message?
नमस्कार. आज कोरोना सारखं जागतिक युद्ध निर्माण झालेलं आहे आणि या युद्धामध्ये डबेवाल्याला देखील या कोरोनाचा जो आहे प्रादुर्भाव म्हणजे झालेला आहे. कोरोनामुळे डबेवाल्याचं आर्थिक उत्पन्न थांबलेलं आहे आणि उत्पन्न थांबलेलं असून एका आमच्या डबेवाल्या बांधवाचा कोरोनामुळे मृत्यू सुद्धा झालेला आहे. तेव्हा मी आपल्या सर्वांना विनंती करू इच्छितो की आम्ही डबावाला चॅरिटी हे एक NGO बनवलेलं आहे, ते डबेवाल्यांसाठी मदतीचं काम करत आहे. तेव्हा आपल्याला जर मदत करायची असेल तर आपण डबावाला चॅरिटी वरती मदत करावी आणि ती आम्ही मदत आमच्या सर्व डबेवाल्यांपर्यंत पोहोचवण्याचं काम करणार आहोत. तेव्हा आपल्याला जी मदत करायची असेल ती आपण डबावाला चॅरिटीला करावी. धन्यवाद.
Thank you, CEO sir. CEO sir is requesting everyone to help Dabawala by donating throughout the NGO Dabawala charity. Because COVID-19, many Dabawalas lost their income. So for supporting Dabawalas, CEO sir giving is very urgent. Now I request to our CEO sir. CEO sir, what is your message?
नमस्कार मित्रांनो, आमच्यासारखे गरीब आणि यशस्वी आणि अशिक्षित डबेवाले जर मोठी कंपनी कॉर्पोरेट कंपनी खोलू शकता, तुम्ही उद्योजक बना आणि एक मोठी कॉर्पोरेट कंपनी ओपन करा आणि भारताला उच्चांग पदवीवर घेऊन चला. हेच माझे संदेश राहील सर्व मित्रांना.
A great message done by CEO sir. CEO sir is requesting that if poor and uneducated Dabawalas like us can form a corporate company, so CEO sir requested all everyone to become an entrepreneur and support our country. Please visit www.dabawala.net for more information about Dabawala Enterprises Private Limited. Please visit also dabawala.org for information on Dabawala charity. Dabawala Enterprises will like to thank you, central government, the Maharashtra state government. Dabawala Enterprises also like to thank you all our shareholder and our customer for making a company a great success. We also thank you for chartered accountant Mr. Rajesh Jain Sirji, our company secretary Mr. Nilakshi Marathe madam, our legal advisor Dr. Pawan Pandey sir, our respected Professor Namdev Rao Jadhav sir, our banker Bank of India, our insurer the Oriental Insurance Company Limited, our technology partner Innovins Technologies, and our hard working Dabawalas for helping us to running this company. Thank you so much.